Okay, so I got one package today, which is after school's flashback. So I'm gonna do another unboxing after 2 weeks. So here's it. It's Flashback. I'm gonna open it. Forgot to bring my scissors in, so I have to use something else to open it. Yes. Okay. I hope this works good. Okay. So, oh yes, it is. It's sorry, it's raining out there. So, yeah. Okay. So. Okay, so here it is. This comeback was last year. So it's the front, it's the back, and it's the spine. So opening it up. It's the first for the booklet and your legs here. So I'm gonna start this one. So we got Nana and Janga. Got Nana in white. And got Janga. Sorry for the light thing because it's really dark right now. Or it's the afternoon. So you got Eyoung, Lizzie, and Yui. Just the pretty girls. We got Eyoung, Lizzie, and Yui. Pretty girls. I got Kaen, June, and Raina. Got Kaen, the new member. They just joined the group and just come back. We got Juyeon. And my bias, Raina, in white. School, and that's the group shot. Something behind that. Special thanks to and credits, and that's it. Alright, so it's the legs and pin up. This is CD. The CD, the legs, and the thing behind it. Okay, just the other booklet. So, yep, I seen unboxing, so it looks just like that. So, oh, it's the profile thing. The Kaen's profile. Right. First we got up is Janga. We got the two there. This is Juyeon, Yui, my bias, Raina, Nana, Lizzie, Eyoung, and Kaen. And the lyrics and how I say it? I think so, I don't know. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, that's it for this album. And got current profile. It's pretty cool. Alright, so yeah. Alright, now I have something else. I got here. It's After School First Love, but I finally got is Raina's cover. I'm super happy about it. I've traded my Eyoung cover for Raina. So here it is. The Goddess. And a postcard. Of course. pretty. So my Raina collection is complete. Finally, my Raina collection is complete as of now until they have their photo cards for the Japanese single comes out. But for now, it's complete. So yay! So that's it I got today, and yeah, thanks for watching guys, and bye.